Yeah, Assalamualaikum Nazreen. Today we made these bread balls, and how you make them is just basically the same mixture I did for my Monaco tidbits, which is the same mixture here. So using white sauce, I created it, and then all I did was did fillings in it, and then coated it with your egg and fried it with a little bit of breadcrumbs, and then fried them in the oil. So it's all ready, and yeah, I'll tell you about the mixture in 1 second. Okay, I'll just tell you about this batter that I made for our bread balls. Basically, it's the same as what we did with Monaco tidbits. All you have to make a white sauce which is 2 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons flour, all-purpose flour, plain flour, same thing, and half a cup of water and half a cup of milk. Right, so I've added, like I said, it was to make white sauce you need is 2 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons flour, also known as plain flour as well, all-purpose flour, and half a cup of milk and half a cup of water, and you have to cook it well on the stove, like, you know, with a little bit of 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And you cook it, and then after that you add in all your vegetables, which is like green peas, you've got corns, capsicum, red, green, yellow, orange, like, you know, whatever color you've got, and a little bit of chili, and I've got beans in there as well, and carrots. So I've chucked them in there in your white sauce after, and then turn it off, and then just mix it well together. Boil 2 potatoes, cube them and mash them, and then you just basically pour it into this batter here and mix it all together really well. Once you've done all that, then you add in your spices, like you've got crushed red pepper, chopped green chilies again. So yeah, now you've got is your red crushed red pepper, and then you've got red chili flakes, red chili powder, a little bit of cumin powder, and coriander powder, and then you can also add in a little bit of chaat masala if you want to, and yeah, that's basically it. And garam masala, and then you get this beautiful, and I've got some Cajun seasoning in here as well, so it smells fantastic, and it smells amazing, sorry, and tastes fantastic. And then after that, what you do is you soak a couple of breads into water, and then spread this mixture onto your bread, or, you know, whatever you like, bun or whatever, it could be anything, and then you just spread it onto it. You shape them in like this sort of way, and then you shape them into breads like this, and then dip them into the egg, and then into bread, roll them into breadcrumbs, and this is how they look like once you fry them. You just simply fry them. I've only shown you 2, I've got some rest to do. I'll do that, and I'll show you how we serve them. So you can serve them with, like, this is tamarind chutney, so you can serve it with tamarind chutney, or so you can serve it with chutney, as I said, sweet and sour chutney, or tomato ketchup, or just tamarind chutney, which I am doing here. So yeah, and hope you enjoy it, and it looks beautiful. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.